Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make egusi soup with banga paste. Have you tried this method before? If you have not, do not worry, that is why I'm here. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make this delicious egusi soup that you are seeing right now on the screen. Trust me, this method is very nice. In fact, after learning this one today, you wouldn't want to make the other method anymore because this one is super delicious. The banga paste took it to another level. So let's get started. So right here, this is my banga paste. I'm just pouring that into the pot. You can use the store-bought one, or if you're in a place where you can get the palm fruits to squeeze it yourself, fine, anyone goes. In this video I am using the store-bought one, so let's get started. So that is our banga paste already in the pot. I'm just stirring that up to get it mixed up properly. So moving on, we are now going to add in our pre-cooked seasoned beef and stockfish. You know, I like prepping my ingredients before I start cooking so I don't spend too much time in the kitchen. So that is my cooked beef and stockfish going in right now. Next, I'm adding in some washed dried catfish. Feel free to add any dried fish of your choice. Now goes in some blended onion and pepper. I'm just going to mix that up all together so that it can marry very well with the other ingredients, and I'll allow that to cook for a while. Before covering the pot, I'm going to now add in some seasoning cubes so it can melt easily. Few minutes later, I opened it up and now it's time to add in the egusi. This is grinded egusi mixed with blended onion to form this paste. So I'm using this spoon to cut it into bits like so. The blended onion added to the egusi helps the egusi to have some lump, but if you don't like your egusi to be lumpy, you can use your spatula or your spoon to scatter it up in the process of cooking. Apart from that, it gives the egusi very nice flavor and makes it more tasty. So I'm going to continue cutting it up into smaller bits like so, and when I'm done, I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for a while. So a few minutes later, guys, this is what we've got. I actually scattered up the lumps because I don't want mine to be that lumpy. Now I'm adding in some grinded crayfish. I'm going to stir that up together to mix up well. Next, I'm adding in some vegetable. This particular vegetable is called Atama. It's the dry type of Atama leaf. It's mostly eaten in Cross River State. It has a unique taste and flavor. Very good for egusi soup. And finally, guys, this is what we've got. Look at how pretty that soup is looking. The aroma in my kitchen at this moment is heavenly. It's screaming yummy and deliciousness. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? Is this your first time coming across this recipe, or have you tried it before? Let's know in the comments. And if you're going to be trying it, let's know in the comments. I'm so grateful for you watching this video up to this point. Let me know what you think about this soup. This soup, you can serve it with fufu, eba, whatever swallow of your choice. Trust me, you are going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy this method. Trust me. I would like to have a feedback from you, and please, before you leave, remember to hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and share. See you again in my next one.